So this is Jhalak and welcome to my channel Sassy Ornate. Today we are going to make slip skirt or satin silk skirt. Later on I might make satin silk top, but for now I'm just gonna make skirt. Satin silk skirts are really expensive when it comes to brands, but you can really easily make it at home if you know a bit of sewing or pasting. You can even paste it using fabric glue. So you just have to buy the fabric, and buying a fabric is really cheaper than getting that dress. They really take so much money out of it. So if silk skirt were also not in trend, you can easily wear it with anything. You can combine it with western t-shirt, anything. Like you can wear it like as a top, bottom. So it's super useful. You can also get your own color. There are variety of color available in this fabric. So let's start by taking the measurements. So first of all, I'm gonna measure my front part and I'll take it 21, which is going to be our ready length. After that, I'm gonna measure my hip because it should be of that much size so that you can just put it up. So I have to measure my hip area, and while measurement I'm gonna take it a bit loose. I want the ready piece to be a bit loose from this side so that I can properly sit and stand in that without any problem. So now I have this piece and I'm gonna cut it according to the measurements. So my ready hip size was 36. I took it a bit loose. I took 38 inches, but here I'm gonna take more cloth that I can easily stitch and fold. The width of this piece of cloth was according to me too, so I'm not gonna cut the width. So it was 21 inches ready piece that I want, but I'm taking 4 to 5 inches extra. That is, I'm gonna take it 27 inches, so it would be easy for me to fold the skirt from upper part and bottom part. And I always take extra part, like I know I can take it till 24 and I can cover both the parts from upper side and bottom, but still I'm gonna take a bit more extra. For the length of the skirt I'm marking the points, and after that I'll cut it with the help of scissor, and here is our piece. What I'm just gonna do is I'm just going to roll it around myself, and I'll see that from where I have to mark the lines, and I'm going to mark the line according to me. I want it a bit loose, so I'm marking the line according to that. Just wear the piece and mark the line on the outer surface itself, because we are going to first stitch that side. I'm gonna tell you why in the video further. Okay, so this is how it's look like. I have stitched it where I have marked the line. I have stitched that portion. I am taking the upper part same as my hip portion, because at least it should stretch that much so that you can just wear it. Now I'm gonna try it. I am going to turn it upside down, and it is coming perfect from the hip area. The upper part will get in a proper shape when we'll attach elastic to it. Okay, I'm going to pin up the fabric according to the slit that I want. So it's up to you how much slit you want. You have to pin it according to that. Now I'm gonna part my dress from here, and first of all I'm gonna cut the upper part, which is not coming equal. I'm gonna cut it from bottom also because it's also uneven, and here I have pinned it up the cloth for the slit. So here I have removed the pin. I am going to mark the slit, and I wanted the slit after 12 inches, so I'm gonna measure that. The upper part we are going to use this belt, so we have to leave that much portion, and beyond that I'm gonna measure that where 12 inches is coming, so that I can make the slit from there. At the upper side I am going to cut it from here, and then I'll stitch it from inside again, and I'll put this cut area in that stitch so it won't be visible. So I'm gonna cut this, and I'll leave a very little cloth on the other side of the stitching. after the cutting, I'm gonna stitch it from inside, and the outside portion will look like we haven't stitched. Okay, so I have turned it upside down, and this is our inside side of the cloth. So now I'm gonna stitch this area so that I can cover that portion inside. So here I have stitched it from inside, and as you can see outside it's not visible at all. So, and inside I have taken that little portion of cloth in the stitching, so it's not visible either on the outside or inside. And now I am going to move towards the slits. So I have done with my belt. I have just taken the cloth and I have folded it a bit, and then I have done the stitching. See, it's not perfect, I left some portion and I'm gonna do it again. So yeah, I have done with my belt, and it's gonna look like this. We are going to fold it inside. Now for the slits, what I am going to do is I'll fold the edge of the cloth once, and then I'm gonna fold it again. See, like this. And then I am going to stitch it. So in this way I'm gonna do the slits and my bottom part. So here I have done my slits, and now I am going to do my bottom part in the same manner. Now once I'll get over with my bottom part, then this is how my slip skirt's gonna look like. And if you want to see 6 ways to wear this slip skirt, then go to my Instagram account. I have put the link in the description box. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay happy. Do like and subscribe my video.